Hi, I'm Nat. I'm going to be reading from my collection Little Universe. So this is a book very much about grief, but it's also about hope and new beginnings, and it's set both inside the hospital walls and on the Gower landscape that you can kind of see through the ward window. And I'm going to read this poem because it kind of bridges two of the sections together, both that sort of outside area and then bringing it back into that hospital environment. It's called Springtide. The farmers here say their ewes know the tides, that when it's tops 7 metres, the lambing will start and the farmers will tear from their pillows. It's their hooves, they say, the moisture rising through samphire, sea thrift, fescue, darkening wool like days-old bandages, telling the body to push. The breath holds behind the teeth, estuary swollen, the womb paused mid-squeeze, and yet here I am, thinking of those waiting sheep as I sit in the car park outside maternity. My sister inside, having sweated and punched for hours, barely noticing the water that's heaved itself up to her window, spilling fresh salt over the tiles.